Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from craftysentiments.com and I'm back with another video. If you're brand new to my channel, then welcome, and if you've been here before, then welcome back. As you can see, I have something different for you today. I have an unboxing, and I have been waiting for this for so long, and I am super excited. So we're not going to wait anymore. We're just going to open it up and see what we have. I am really excited about this. Is it open? Yeah. I'm going to go this way. Making all kinds of noises. Sorry about that. Oh, these are our cutting plates. And here it is. Let me move this out of the way. And here we have it, my friends. Nothing to put together. It is the new mini stamp cut and emboss machine. So super excited. Look at it. It is so pretty. Oh, it's really light too. Look at there. Haha. You don't even have to put the handle on it. It comes already done. I think the only thing that's different on the regular size, the standard size cut and emboss, this is like a metal plate right here, but this is just stamped on there. Oh, it's so light. Love it. Opens up just like that, and it's ready to go. So let's see what the cutting plates are. Now I'm not going to do, oh sorry, let's pull this out. Let me move this out the way. I'm really not doing a project today. I'm just doing an unboxing. Oh, these are so pretty. They're so little. So you get a number 1 plate. Number 1. Okay, that's a cutting plate. And then we get number 2. You get 2 number 2s. A number 3. And number 4. So now the number 4 is for, okay, let me put these aside. When you get instructions, mini cut and emboss machine, quick start guide. Yada, 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 yada. And it tells you how to use it. Pretty much the same way that you use the large one, but this one is so stinking cute. It's staying right here on my desk for sure. Now, being as a demonstrator, we were able to pre-order this. Starting December 1st was just a couple days ago. But for everybody else, you can start to order yours on January 5th. That's when it'll become available. Unless you can't wait. And if you can't wait, then you can join my team and become a discount shopper. And you can add this to your starter kit and you can order it right away. With starter kits, you get $125 worth of product. Whatever you would like to pick and choose for only $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. And yeah, then you can start earning discounts on your future purchases. No pressure to to do any classes, any parties, anything. Just do your own purchases and get a discount on there, or spend a little bit more because you'll be saving a little bit. At any rate, enough about that. So it tells you to pull it down. It tells you the care and instructions. Tells you exactly what comes in the box. The emboss machine, mini base plate, 2. Okay, yeah. I'm not going to go through all of that. So we want to see exactly how to use it and what we can do with it. So there's different plates. This one is for, what is this one for? The number 4 is for a 3D embossing. And I don't know if we have any 3D embossing mini folders yet. We might, I'm not sure. This one, the number 3 plate, is for your standard embossing folders. And 2, let's see what it is. Number 1, so this is your die cutting plate. So this is, you have the base plate or the die cutting plate. Then you add a number 2. Then you add your your paper and your die and another number 2. So let's just go ahead and see how it works. How it's going to cut out. I already have some papers. Hey, most die cutting machines are, let me see. Most die cutting machines are like 3 inches wide. This one looks a little bit bigger. Oh my goodness, it's 3.5 inches, which is awesome. So it's a little bit bigger. Cool. I like that. I'm used to having, because I had a different one, and it just broke. It was a mini die cutting machine. So let's cut something first. See, I cut out 3 inch size papers because I thought it was 3 inches. So this is, I'm gonna cut out the label. This is the So Many Snowflake dies. And let's, yeah, we can cut it out on that. So we need a number 1, a number 2, your paper, your die, and another number 2. I'm sorry if it was sitting over there and there's glare. I didn't even think about that. Sorry about that. And we just take that and roll it through. I thought I was going to do something. My paper's in the way. And we were not able to, look at that, I guess it did cut out. We weren't able to order extra cutting plates. But when January comes around and everybody else is able to order, I'm going to make sure that you put an extra set of cutting plates. Look out there, how cute it cut out. Where's my little, take your pick tool. Oh, I got look what I found. So it cut out beautifully. And the other little pieces, they'll pop right out. So this particular die, it doesn't cut all the way out. It just cuts into the paper. And there you go. You can put it on a black piece of paper. And there are stitched lines around there. So this is what I said this was, So Many Snowflakes die set. And so that's like a little label that punches. Cool, cool, cool. So let's push that aside. Let's emboss something, because I have these small embossing folders that I've never done anything with. Where are they at? We have some mini embossing folders, and these are the wrapped in texture embossing folders. So again, this one said that it needed, for the embossing, you need a number 3 and a number 1. So let's put these aside. I got stuff all over here already. So you need a number 1. And we have the embossing folder. And we're going to place our paper, I'm all way off camera. Place our paper inside there. We want the hinge side to go in first. So we do that, and then the number 3. I got my paper on here and it keeps moving. Love this machine. Let's see how this does. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Can you see the texture on there? Love it. So yes, so this is only 3.5 inches wide, so it's not going to cover the full piece of your card base, because most card bases, the card bases for an A2 size card are 4 1/4 by 5.5. But you can add lots of accents on there, crosswise, lengthwise. Love it. So let's put that aside, and then I'm going to do the other embossing folder, and then that will be it, my friends, because I just wanted to come in really quickly and show you what I got, because I'm super excited about it. And I'll have to see if we have any 3D embossing folders. I'm not sure if we have any of those just yet. So again, for the standard embossing folder. You'll post number 1, your folder, the paper, and another number 3 on top, and you feed it through. And folds up super easy. Oh my gosh, let's see what this one looks like. I am so excited. Can you tell? Oh my, it's like a nice little weave. Can you see that? Love that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll be back really soon to make another video, and I'm gonna do a project, lots of projects with my new little mini here, because that is, oh my gosh, you all have no idea how excited I'm about this little machine. And I've always been the type that likes little things, you know, like little doll houses and little miniatures or whatever. So the fact that this is a little miniature die cutting machine, as with our, it looks just like our larger one, is amazing. And I do like a smaller die cutting machine because, truthfully, most of the ones that I do use are the smaller machines. So, I mean, I like to use a smaller machine. So that's really, really exciting for me. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with some more videos to show you exactly how I'm going to be using this wonderful machine. And again, if you want to think about wanting to join and get one now, I'll leave the information in the link below. And of course, some other information on my blog. Thanks so much for stopping by. And this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com. And I'll be back real soon with another video. Take care, everyone, and have a great day. Bye.